Ever been out with friends, offered to pay, and wanted to say, "It's on me" in Russian? Let's get you covered with a few ways to say it. First, we have "Я угощаю." This literally means "I'm treating." Great for casual settings like when you buy a round of coffee or snacks. Next, we have "Я заплачу." This means "I will pay," a straightforward way to let people know you are covering the bill. Next, we have "За мой счет." This translates directly to "at my expense," a polite and slightly formal way to say "it's on me." And if you want to make it clear you are covering everything, say "Я все оплачу," meaning I'll pay for everything. Now you've got a few ways to cover the bill like a pro in Russian. Next time you're out with friends, try one of these and impress them. See you next time.